You're welcome to Maths Easy Peasy, and to this class we shall be finding the area of a circle. The area of a circle can be derived using the formula pi r squared. Now, when looking for area, you can't use the diameter. So if you are given a diameter in any given question, you need to divide the diameter by 2 to derive your radius. In this question, we are given radius as 14 centimeters. So this equation will simply become the pi, which is 22 all over 7, times radius to the power of 2, which is times 14. Let's equate it over 1, times another what? 14 all over 1. Now this is actually easy peasy. Now what do we need to do here? 7 here is 1, 7 and 14 gives us 2. So what we have left, it is 22 times 2 times 14. And when we multiply this, it gives us 616 centimeter square. Area is always written in centimeter square. This is as easy as ABC. Okay, in our second question today, we have been asked to find the area of a circle whose radius is 3.5 cm, but pi has been given to us as 3.14. This is actually easy peasy. The first thing you must do is to state our formula. Area is equal to pi r squared, and this will be equal to 3.14 times 3.5 times another 3.5. This will simply give us, when multiplied, punching your calculator or doing your normal manual multiplication on your piece of paper, you'll get the answer, which is 38.465. This can be approximated to become 38.47 to 2 decimal places, centimeters what? Squared. That is our final answer. So maths is actually easy peasy, lemon squeezy, pizza cheesy, Mr. Austin's okra soup. See you in my next class.